Welcome to the first episode of Konecranes Lift Trucks series called Change Forever. Our big question in this episode is, what is holding you back from taking a first step toward a change from diesel to electric? For this, we have three important truths. What is the motivation? How is the operation? And what about cost? But first, do you know how electric trucks ended up where they are today? In the 80s, the main purpose was not to contaminate food or other similar goods in indoor operations. In the 90s, health and safety reasons were introduced, and other indoor operations, such as pulp and paper, joined the journey. In the 2000s, customers started looking more and more at total cost of ownership, encouraging countries with a low price for electricity and a high price for diesel. In the 10s, sustainability and CO2 reduction became a factor, and especially customers in forestry segments such as sawmills changed direction to electric. In the 20s, suppliers from Far East play a big role in the market. Return of investment in combination with legal aspects, local regulations, and company profile are important factors. Government funds and subsidies play a big role in the change. So, how do you make a move from diesel to electric in an operation? First, what is the motivation? What pain points exist in the current operation that electric could aid? Second, what does the operation look like today? Third, what are the possibilities for the charging infrastructure? 4. Start with one electric machine to learn more, rather than exchanging a whole fleet at once. It is also useful to consider the difference in cost. The electric might have a higher capex with its purchase price, but with the fuel paid up front, the OPEX will be lower. There are also solutions such as battery as a service to get a more comparable cost to diesel. We are in the early days of a big transition. We have one foot in two worlds. For some time to come, this will be a diesel plus electric world. But one day, this will be an electric plus diesel world. The requirements and circumstances of your operations and power grid can help you guide how to walk before you begin to run. So, what are your concerns? What are your aspirations? The journey to an electric fleet often begins with one single electric machine. And when it comes to electric versus diesel cost, look again. The cost difference between electric and diesel machines may be less than you think. Because with electric, you pay up front for the fuel and the overall cost of maintenance is lower. And now, we're back to the big question. What is holding you back from taking a first step toward electric today?